Hi everyone, Darko here for a weekly report for just letting you know how things went for this week. And as you all know, we had for the past 3 weeks that the first 2 week was like super nice results. We had a best week trading week ever for 2020, and the following week was a decent week and everything. This week, the start of December, was a losing week, and I'm more than happy to share those losing trades with you, and also go through the trades and showing you the we had 3 trades this week. One reduced loss, one full loss, and the third one was a break even for some, winning for some, and a reduced loss for some. Okay, so before I move forward, I will just show you the spreadsheet for. Obviously, the month of November was a smashing month. So far for December, it doesn't look good, and that happens. We have to be honest about trading, and like I told everyone, like if I'm doing great, I will let you know, and I will show you the trades, and obviously we'll be grateful for the great results. And when I have a losing week, I will just do the same. There's no reason for me to hide behind the curtain. Like, losing is a part of trading, and this week was a losing week. So this was the first trade we took. This was a smashing trade. It's still a smashing trade regardless of the outcome. This is a weekly neckline, a swing neckline. It was also a swing neckline on a daily chart. We had and that extra confirmation as an ACAT, advanced candle action trading. We also had this prices making higher high, and then we are like making a lower low, lower close, all the goody stuff. so this was the entry with a higher high stop loss. Great trade, no mistakes done. Okay, so let's go to the actual trade, and this was the fill. Okay, price react from that level. We reduce risk. That's how I manage my trade, and everyone knows about it. And this candle stopped us out for a reduced loss. That's it. The second trade we took was Swiss yen. Let me show you the screenshot of that trade. So this was a swing neckline, an inverted V shape, a very, very strong move, and a neckline. We had that extra confirmation as an ACAT. We also had price closing above that level, and then we convincingly reestablished. We took out this swing and everything. So another perfect trade, and this one was a full loss. We didn't even have an opportunity to manage, to risk reduce or anything. So, and it's very seldom price take us out for a full loss like this. Usually, obviously not always, price just react, give you that reaction just to reduce risk. This never happened. Okay, and the last trade was we just got filled yesterday. Okay, late yesterday around the rollover when the new daily candle starts, and this was the fill. The risk was 28 pips. Price went up over 30 pips. And obviously this was the first level where I intend to take something off. This time of day I'm sleeping. It's like 3 a.m. Okay, and I don't sleep that many hours, so I went to bed like around midnight ish, and then I woke up around 5 a.m. And obviously by the time I blurry eyes and everything, I woke up and realized that what I usually do is, and this is the mistake is on my end, because the rules is that if you are up equal amount of if you are up equal amount of pips as your risk, then the trade is a risk-free trade. You either take something off, you have to take something off, and then you will reduce risk if it's hands-on trading management. So in this case, because of the look of the trade, this was a perfect trade with the 2 very strong significant necklines and everything, all the good stuff. Price is making giving you a higher close and coming back. All the steps were followed and everything. So what I usually do when I go to sleep is I have 2 orders. Let's just say, for the sake of this example, that you could be trading like micro lots, mini lots, standard lots. It doesn't matter, as long as you are trading. In this case, you can just, for the sake of this example, take 2 mini lots. Okay, so the same entry with the same stop loss. One of them is actually is trailing the amount of pips. Like if I'm up equal amount of pips as my risk, the platform will trail my stop loss for me. And what I did not do is that I just put one order in. I say, you know what, when I wake up, I will I managed to, to trail a stop loss, to tell my platform to trail the stop loss for me, so I don't take a full loss if the trade goes against me. But I'm not taking anything else because I want to manage manually, and obviously that was a mistake on my end, and I took a reduced loss. So I cannot be awake 24/7, and it's always a bit of a challenge to let the trading platform manage all the steps for you, because it just doesn't work out in real life as long as price like do exactly the way that you might be looking for. So that happens. We cannot win them all. So yeah, a losing week, and let's see what next week has to offer. The good thing is that we have at least 2 to 3 good weeks before we go into Christmas and New Year mode. So I will let you know how things goes, and hopefully you enjoy this video. If you so do, hit the like button and comment. And if you want to join my what I call my day trading academy, feel free to do so. And if you want to be a scalper, feel free to join the scalping service as well. So yeah, thank you so much for listening, and you will hear from me next week. Thank you, and have a great weekend. Cheers.